Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motor News LCID. I think this is going to be great, important information for you. You're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it, get started, please give me that big thumbs up, the like button. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. But right now, I do also want to give you a very nice promotion to earn free stocks and also to get an iPhone 13 Pro. If you use my link down below to Moomoo and put in any amount of money into my account using that link down below, you will be guaranteed 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. But if you put in $100 or more, we'll give you a chance to win that Christmas special iPhone 13 Pro. If you put in $2,000 or more, we'll grant you 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. My viewers so far have received Apple stock, Tesla stock, and Amazon stock. So don't wait too long to get that, as this promotion will not last long. I did now want to transition and talk to you about this great news with Lucid Motors. As you can see, I'm really psyched. I'm really excited because it has now just been announced from Bloomberg that Lucid Motors LCID will be added to the Nasdaq 100. This is big, very important information, very important big news, because the Nasdaq 100 is a benchmark stock. It is a benchmark that holds 100 of the top largest companies that are non-financial companies. There is a very strict criteria in order to meet and to get into this. It looks like some companies are going to be removed, and JP Morgan and Chase did go out and evaluate which companies will be added. They are seeing that Lucid Motors and Airbnb are most likely to be added. And it has now been confirmed that on December 18th is a very big critical day that LCID Lucid Group will be added to the Nasdaq 100. Just to give you a background information, every year, the Nasdaq 100 reviews all of the stocks that are inside this index fund, and they definitely take a look to see what companies need to be going out, which companies are not doing good. Well, this is great news because Lucid Motors did just get a chance to get into this. And this is very important for Lucid Motors and for the Nasdaq 100, as it is one of the tech-heavy benchmarks that are on the market, and it's definitely going to be good for this company. I did just now want to transition and show you what other companies are going to be coming in, which is Lucid Motors is the very first one. As you can see, its market cap right now is $71 billion, but you also have Airbnb, among others, that are going to be added onto this. So again, the big day to watch out for is that December 18th date. So according to this article, there is a strict criteria. There is no minimum requirement of the market capitalization. However, the stock must have a daily average trading volume of over 200,000 shares to be eligible, and it also has to have been on the stock market for at least 3 full months. This is why Lucid Motor qualified, and its larger competitor Rivian did not qualify for this because they just went onto the market on November 10th. So this is very big news for Lucid Motors, very big for this company, because it is now part of this very tech-heavy index benchmark that it will be in there, and a lot of people are able to invest in these large 100 companies. Now, just to show you what is included in the Nasdaq 100, the Nasdaq 100 has been doing quite well and has been outperforming the market by about 1%. Let me just show you in the past 5 days, they are up 3.7%. In the past 1 month, up 1.8%. In the past 6 months, up 16.6%. So it's very nice to have Lucid Motors be included in the Nasdaq 100. And as you can see, this benchmark does have the top 100 largest non-financial companies that are very tech heavy. So this is, again, very good news for Lucid Motors, and I definitely think it is very good for its futures. Now, talking about Lucid Motors stock in itself, Lucid Motors stock, LCID stock, in the past 1 day was up 3.1%. It did have a low of $36 in the past 1 day, in the past trading day on Friday, at around 10:50 in the morning, but we did start off at $38.72. We did pretty much trade and in the trading by about that $37. In the past 5 days, this stock is still down about 6% overall. As you can see, we were as high as $36, but with all this bad news that we have had this past week, has been a lot of downward pressure on this stock. First, we had the SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, do the investigation and doing the subpoena on Lucid Motors back when it was Churchill Capital, when the SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company, is now being investigated about its financials and its projections of how well Lucid Motor Group or Lucid Company will do in the future. They are evaluating all the financials. A good thing is that Lucid Motors is cooperating very heavily, but they are under a quite big microscope right now, so they definitely have a lot of things and a lot of eyes on it. That being said, secondly, they also had a very big downward pressure today because they did announce that they will be offering a convertible senior note share offering, which is basically a bond. In my opinion, I just call it a bond to help the company raise money for its debts and its for future. Since they are under that very big microscope, Lucid Motors has gone out and said what they're going to be using this money on. Since it is under a very tight microscope, Lucid Motors did go out and say what they are going to be spending this money on. They are going to be spending it on the production of their vehicle, their production facilities to ramp up mass production of the Lucid Air in the next few years. They are also going to be using this money to build factories across the seas. So definitely they are using it for very nice, important things, and also their energy storage battery pack. So very big things to come. I am not worried about this. In my opinion, I do think that this did give us a lot of downward pressure, which did give it a lot of nice buying opportunities. In my opinion, I do think that a lot of people were panic selling whenever they did hear about the SEC subpoena, and now they did hear about this, the note offering. But again, I do not worry about this company. They do have the best product, in my opinion. They do have the best technology. I do think that this company will do great into the future, and I am heavily invested. I have not sold any shares of my stock. I have actually added on even more. I did just want to transition and tell you what the stock analysts are saying out there about Lucid Motors. There's 3 analysts that currently reviewed it. All these 3 give it an average of a moderate buy, 2 give it a strong buy, 1 a sell, which does give it an average price target in the next 12 months of $44.33, which right now, according to Lucid Motors stock, at $37.66 does give us about a 17.7% upside. Now, the highest price target is about $60. The lowest price target in Lucid Motor Group is $16. If you average these together, this is where we're getting our $44.33. In my own opinion, I do believe that Lucid Motor Group in the next 12 months will be well above $60. I do definitely think, especially with all this news coming out that they are joining the Nasdaq 100, I definitely think that this will propel the stock even higher. So we'll definitely have to see. But always please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. But I am very bullish on Lucid Motors, and this is great news that we have just had about the Nasdaq 100. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up, the like button to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to join the community. Also, please, if you can, share this video with others. Share it with your friends, family, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow this channel very nicely. Thank you so much for everybody's support. Also, I do have the best promotions down below. Right now, using my link down to Moomoo, if you open an account, put in any amount of money, we'll guarantee you 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. If you put in $100 or more, we'll grant you a chance to win that Christmas special, the iPhone 13 Pro. If you put in $2,000 or more, we'll grant you 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. People have received Tesla stock, Amazon stock, and Apple stock. So please get your chance to get those free stocks, as this will not last long. But thank you again so much for watching, for supporting the channel. I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. And please have a great weekend and stay safe. Thank you.